I don't think the information so far gathered can be relied on because, first of all, the people who are carrying out the census have already shown us that they haven't been able to accomplish the census in the specified time that they had to use.
I don't think they'll get the right number. I don't think the Ugandans are there who are satisfied with the results that will come out of the counting or the balancing of the people in Uganda. Because they say they started from the hospitals the first day, but I had patients. I had 3 people in the hospital, and the following day they were discharged, but they weren't counted. And by the time they came back home, we already counted at home, so we wouldn't give them the information about those because they had told us the people in hospitals are going to be counted before, and the ones in hotels.
Well, to a certain extent, I was convinced, though there are certain situations whereby you find like other people were not counted. I personally, my neighbor was not counted, though he was there that census night, but then since he's not around, I don't know where he was counted for. So I think the results are not going to be that 100% genuine results.
Well, if you are dealing with that, there has to be an accuracy error. So if we give it plus or minus 2, then we can rely on that information.
Well, the reliability is 50-50 of the information. In line with what the law says, the authorities, well, I think it's okay to do the counting, and I was counted with my family, so I think it's fine.
First of all, there are people who have rejected, and there are some homes where you go, you find that those are not written on the numbers, whereby they are not balancing with the people in the area. If they would have done it in the way that a community that has youth, they would have used the youth in the community because they know the people in the area. Now, basically like my village, the people who came in my village, I don't know them. And they even don't know my family because some of my family members weren't around. So I wouldn't even say much about my family members because I had to talk about myself and my own siblings.
I think the problem is about sensitization. Yeah, there was no enough sensitization, and other people have wrong beliefs